Hey, what's up guys, it's Card Shuffler 99 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool card trick, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Now guys, first off, don't forget to enter into the giveaway. There's only a week left to enter into it. We're giving away a $50 Amazon gift card and 12 Monarch decks of cards by Theory 11. Once again, 1 week left to enter. All you have to do to enter is like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment something in the comment section below, and make sure you have that post notification bell turned on. That's all you have to do to enter. You guys will give yourself a chance to win one of those prizes. We will announce that in a week. Now, if you guys want to purchase anything on Amazon, check out our Amazon affiliate link down in the description. It's basically our own page on Amazon. We have our product recommendations on there as well. If you guys want to sign up for a free trial of Amazon Prime, Twitch Prime, anything like that, make sure you guys check out that link and purchase everything through there. And anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the trick. Let's go.
Anyways, we're going to get right into the trick here, but we can start with the deck being shuffled. So we'll give it a quick shuffle. Just like that. And why not one cut? And Adam, what I would ask you to do is you can select any card you would like. Doesn't matter what card you select. Wow, savage. Selecting the top card, the Three of Hearts. We'll take your card, put it somewhere to the middle of the deck, just like that, and maybe give the deck a few cuts. Now, here's what we're going to do, Adam. With the snap of the fingers, we're going to get your card, the Three of Hearts, I believe, to come right to the top, right? Your card? No?
It's not my card.
No? The Ace of Diamonds wasn't your card?
Nope.
Could you just hold out your hand like this, Adam? We'll take the Ace of Diamonds and we'll put it right here. And you could put your other hand on top, just like that. And here's what we're going to do. What we're going to do here is we're actually going to get the Ace of Diamonds to switch with your card, the Three of Hearts, somewhere in the deck. Just watch. So just hold your hands out right here.
Ooh.
You can actually show you the Ace of Diamonds comes out of the deck and the Three of Hearts jumps into your hands. That is a trick, guys. Let's learn how to do it. So, guys, there is no setup for this trick. No duplicates, nothing like that. And the deck can be shuffled before the trick starts. So that's how you can start the trick. You can use any deck of cards. You don't need a full deck. Nothing like that. So the deck can start in the spectator's hands. They can shuffle the deck however they would like. Doesn't matter how. So, completely mixed up deck to start the trick. Alright? So once the spectator is satisfied, it's always important that the spectator is satisfied with, the deck. It makes them feel a little more comfortable. So, instead of the magician shuffling the cards. So it really doesn't matter, but just make sure the cards are shuffled and the spectator is, ready to begin. They're comfortable. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to have to control the card to the top position. So there's many ways you guys can control a card. I'll show you guys two ways of what you can do. So one way is you just spread out the deck and you have them select a card. So let's say they select this one. I mean, honestly, guys, you can use any method you want to control the card to the top. It really doesn't matter. So you're going to take this card, and what you're going to do is you're going to place it, somewhere in the middle of the deck just like that. But you're not going to push it all the way in. You're just going to leave it a little bit out-jogged like that. So you're placing their card in somewhere in the middle, a little bit out-jogged like this. You're holding the cards here. And what you're going to do is when you push this card in, you're going to push down on this card. And what that's going to do is when you push down on it, it gives you a natural break right above the card, which you can then transfer to a pinky break. And yeah, so we're going to go over that one more time. So you have the card selected. Then you can take the card, take it. You're going to push down on the card to get a break, transfer it to a pinky break. So just put your pinky right there. And then from here, what you're going to do is you can either cut the cards or you could do a double undercut. So I like to do double undercut. So what you're going to do is once you have this break, you're going to take half the cards below the break, and then you're going to place them to the top. And then you're going to take the rest of the cards below the break, and you're going to place it on top. What this does is it controls the selected card right to the top of the deck. So that's one way you can control the card. I'm also going to show you another variation of a way you can control the card similar to that. So once again, you have the cards selected. let's just say they select the same card again, Jack of Hearts. And this time, instead of just placing the card in like this, getting your break, and then doing a double undercut to control it to the top, what you're going to do instead is, when you have them selected, just dribble down through the deck, like that. So just dribble down. Whenever they say stop, you just stop right there. So let's say they said stop on the Jack of Hearts. You're not forcing the card, guys. They can really say stop whenever, and you just stop. And you're dribbling the cards down. And what you're going to do is, after you show them their selected card, what you're going to do is you're going to dribble the rest of the cards down like this. And you're going to start dribbling the cards down back behind this card. You're not going to dribble it right on top. You're going to dribble it right around here. So the first card should be the farthest away. And then you can dribble back on top. What this does is it puts this card back here. And what you're going to do is you're going to push up on that card with your thumb. And what that does is it gives you a break right above the selected card. So we're going to go over that one more time. So you're dribbling through. All right, they say stop. Let's say they said stop on the Jack of Hearts. Doesn't matter what card they say stop on. You're going to continue the dribble, but you're going to dribble back here. So the first card you dribble down is going to be back here. And then you're going to slowly move up. You know, you're just dribbling the cards down. It's fine if it's messy, you know? It looks very natural, you know? You're just dribbling the cards down. And what you're going to do is this bottom card here, it should be the farthest away. You're going to act like you're squaring up the deck. And in the act, you're going to get your thumb under this card. And you're going to push up just like that. And that will get you a break right above their card. So once you have the break, you're just going to do the same thing. You can either cut the deck, or you can just do it once again. Take half the cards. My bad there, guys. Take half the cards, bring it to the top, take the rest, bring it to the top. And that will simply control the card to the top. There's many ways you can control a card to the top of the deck. And yeah, so once you have their card controlled to the top of the deck, what you're going to do is you're going to do a double lift. So if you don't know how to do a double lift, you could either start with a pinky count, or if you can't do that, you can riffle down through the deck. Just do any double lift you want. And when you riffle down, you just wait until you get 2 cards. Grab a pinky break under those 2 cards like that. And then you're just going to flip them both over at the same time. So basically, I'm flipping 2 cards over at the exact same time. So you have your break, right? Make sure the cards are squared up. You're going to flip it over. And make sure when you flip these cards over, guys, you don't have to leave that much space. Make sure you leave a little space between the top card and the card here. So that little gap right there is important because it helps you flip the card back over. Because if the cards are squared with the deck, then you have to re-get your pinky break, and then you have to flip it over. It's much easier if when you turn it over, you leave that small of a gap. That's perfect right there because you can just use your fingers, feel it, and then flip it back over. So basically, all you're doing is a double lift here, and you're going to say, well, let's see if we can get your card to jump to the top. Snap your fingers. You're going to do your double lift, and right here, they're going to be like, you know, that's not my card. Really, their card is right behind it, but they're going to be like, no, the King of Clubs was not my card. Make sure you tell them, you know, the King of Clubs wasn't your card. You want to get that card stuck in their mind because you're going to be doing the switch very soon. So what you're going to do is you're going to say, all right, so we'll take the King of Clubs here. It was not your card. And we're going to place it in between your hands. So this card goes right in between their hands. And what you just did there is you're actually placing their selection in between their hands. And the King of Clubs is staying on top. So you're doing this double lift. You have 2 cards here. You're flipping them both over. And then you're going to give them the top card. You're going to say, hold on to this. They're going to be holding on to that. And they're thinking that's the King of Clubs. Say you have the King of Clubs in between your hands. And somewhere in the deck is your selection. Really, it's just on top. And what you're going to do is you're going to control this card to the bottom of the deck. And how you can do this is what you're going to do is just take your thumb, peel off the top card, and then just do a quick cut. And that controls the card to the bottom of the deck. So one more time, just bring off that card, give the cards a quick cut, and that controls the selection to the bottom of the deck. So from this point, you're like, you have the King of Clubs in your hands, and your selection is somewhere in the middle of the deck right here, right? Really, it's just on it's really in their hands, and the King of Clubs is on the bottom. So what you can do from here is very simple. what I like to do is you could just tap their hands with this. You know, do whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. But show, you know, with a quick movement that this card actually switched with their selection. Then you can tell them, you know, open up your hands, and they're going to be like, whoa, my selection, you know. So that is the trick, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this trick. And yeah, this is Card Shuffler 99. Make sure you check out our most recent videos, and peace out.